Hello amazing people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for always coming here to my YouTube channel just to get something new on my YouTube channel. I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for always taking to my YouTube channel, taking your precious time just to come learn something new on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome, and I must say a big thank you to you guys. This week I have valuable information to share with you. I will be analyzing 30 pairs. I'll be analyzing 30 pairs, which I think there will be a trading opportunity this week, and I want you guys to take good opportunity of any of these 30 pairs, which are Euro USD, USD, and Gold Spot USD. You see these 30 pairs, I will be analyzing each and every of these 30 pairs to you guys, so you can see a trading opportunity and take advantage of this week. So all you just need to do is stay to the end of this video, and I promise you will never regret taking your time to watch my video. So let's go. Okay, the first pair I will be analyzing today is Euro USD. So here I'm on the monthly time frame. So you can see we are on a bearish trend, and let me quickly plot the little key level here. Moment, I'm plotting my key level now. Okay, let me quickly draw this trend line, this monthly trend line. Let me draw it out. So there is another one down here. So let me readjust it on my monthly time frame, on my weekly time frame rather. Okay, I'm readjusting it just to make sure it touches the right spots. So okay, this is spot on, this is spot on. Okay, this is spot on. Okay, this is spot on. This is spot on. Okay, I think we are, I think we are good to go now. So we are on a weekly time frame now, guys. This is our weekly time frame. We are on a bearish trend. On this weekly time frame, I need to quickly analyze something very, very important to you guys. I need to explain something. Yeah, if you see how this trend is moving, it's on a bearish form, right? Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. I'm saying here, 1, 2, relax. I'm trying to, okay. This looks like an head and shoulder. This looks like, because this is an head, on the weekly time frame, this looks like an head and shoulder. This is the neck. Should I say the neck? This right here really, it's equal to this neck. I won't call it an head and shoulder. I won't call it an head and shoulder because this looks like a ranging market to me. Yeah, reason why I can't call it head and shoulder because head and shoulder, excuse me for that. Head and shoulder is this is equal to this. Okay, this is equal to this, and can't really call it an head and shoulder. Yeah, right, because this double top right here drops drastically, and touches this support level and moved backward, and move upward rather, just touch this resistance level. Now it has touched this resistance level. It has touched the resistance level. Now I see this as a ranging market. That's what I see. I see this as a ranging market. So in this ranging market, we shall find trading opportunity. We shall find trading opportunity. We shall find trading opportunity. So we shall find trading opportunity. I will scale down to my daily time frame. So on my daily time frame, this is what I'm seeing here. On my daily time frame, 1, 2, 3. Still not seeing something. It's not convincing what I'm seeing here. It's not convincing. So yeah, this is like, okay, a double top here, which played out nicely. Now this came back here, pretty nicely. A moment please. Let me try if I can connect any line here. I need to make sure what I'm doing here is spot on. So okay, join a moment. Okay, so back to what I'm doing. There was a little bit of failed in transmission there. Yeah, I'm actually seeing this here, which has maybe a double. Yeah, it's a double bottom. A double bottom played out here. A double bottom played out here. A double bottom played out here nicely. This is the daily candle, on a daily time frame rather. So should I, can't say this one is a breakout. Can't say it's a breakout. Can't say it's a breakout. So if I'm to use this trend line to decide what is happening here, I will say this is a breakout, a retest. Okay, I'll say this is a breakout here, a retest. And what I can see here is, I'm seeing a double bottom which is playing out here. Okay, this is the neckline, right? Look at what happened there. This happened there. You see, head and shoulder here, right? You see, head and shoulder played out here, right? Now this played out here, a double bottom played out here, right? Now the next thing I'm looking to connect here is, see this technical level which I connected with my trend line here. You see, there is a breakout here on the daily time frame. This is what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. This is what I'm seeing on my chart. See, there is a breakout here and a retest as well. A breakout and a retest. Let's go to 4 hours time frame, see if you can spot something different on here. This is another thing happening here. So on what is it called, on the daily time frame, all we all I see on the daily time frame was a breakout and a retest. So the possible scenario that might play out, which I will definitely do show you as I continue this analysis, this is it. This is a retest, right? This is a retest, and I would like to mark out the minor level that I'm seeing here. This is a minor level right here. See, this level is a minor level. This level right here is a minor level, and I think this level is a strong level. This level is being respected back here as well. See, this level is being respected back here. You see, it's a strong level. This level, it's a strong level. So we need to take it into consideration. So now, two things will happen here, which I'm seeing here. This was a trend line I draw from here to connect here. Maybe this market came back for two reasons. The trend line I draw from here to connect these wicks of the candlestick. Maybe the market want to retest. Don't forget, we are on a bearish trend. We are on a bearish trend. Maybe the market want to retest this trend line. One. The second one I'm thinking is maybe the market wants to come back here. This horizontal line, it wants to retest this horizontal line. Two. And the third one is it wants to retest this trend line as well. Those are three things I'm considering. So now I need to quickly use this to don't forget we are on a bearish, but currently we are just on a temporary bullish move. The overall trend is a bearish, and we are currently on a temporary bullish move. So everything I'm trying to analyze here will be just temporary, not a long time move. So this move, if the market decide what it wants to do, so we have to wait and see if the market wants to make another high here, okay, and come down here. This will be decided by the market, so we have to wait to see if the market wants to come down here, you understand, and it wants to reverse back to break out this trend line. So this trend line has been holding for a month now, up to a month. Yes, a month, maybe 3 weeks. Started from June 26th. It took like 3 weeks to get here. So now what I'm looking at here is, if this, I'm looking at this head and shoulder, may probably might play out, or on a 4 hours time frame. This is what I'm seeing on the 4 hours time frame, which I can't decide what the market wants to do. Anything can happen. This market has been coming here, it has been an uptrend for 3 weeks now, and people might have taken out their profits as well. People might have taken their profits out at this in this market. So maybe this pullback might be as a result of people taking their profits out, and it wants to reverse and grab liquidity down here because they are liquidity here and they are liquidity here. So, and the second thing I'm looking at here is the market might want to come back to retest and continue, because it has not yet changed character here. It has not yet changed character. It's still at this zone. Okay, it's still at this zone. Wait, hold on. There is a support here. It has already changed character. It has already changed character at this level. Yes, and retested it. It has changed character. So now two things will happen, which I'm saying here. If this head and shoulder pattern fails and it doesn't form, because this is the left shoulder, and we might be waiting to see the right shoulder happen as well. The right shoulder something like this, you know, to respect this level before coming back down. If this does not happen, let's come to the 1 hour time frame. So now, what is the 1 hour time frame saying? So what is the 1 hour time frame saying? Yeah, let me show you this as a signal of what is happening. On the 1 hour time frame, there is a minor head and shoulder pattern that played out here. You see, there is a minor head and shoulder pattern that played out here, but did not, hold for long before it rally up to the upside. Before it rally up, continue the trend. So now, what I said on the higher time frame, there is an high tendency that this might happen. So, but we wait for the market to decide that this might come here to respect this level for coming down, because all I'm seeing here is an head and shoulder pattern for me. So on the lower time frame, you will have to wait. Okay, wait for the market. If the market, because this, what you're seeing here is too, what you're seeing here is just so lenient. You can't decide anything that might happen in the market. So the second thing I'm thinking it might happen here is something like this, like a double bottom might happen here. Like a double bottom might happen here. So if you want to take advantage, so you prepare for two things: an head and shoulder pattern that just want to come respect this level. So you might, this, so you see this level, 1, 2, this level, I might want to come respect this level. Or, so before you can, let me explain what you can do to take this advantage, to take advantage of this. You will have to wait for a candlestick close above here. A candlestick must close above here. You understand? A candlestick must close above here, and wait for a retest on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe a rejection might come out here. Just wait for a retest here to take this short move so you can profit. It's just like if this happen, okay, if this happen up here, this could be like 24 pips or 23 pips, okay, which I'm thinking might happen to complete the right shoulder here, might happen. And if this does not happen, I think the market might just want to come here, to expect this small level before turning around. So those are the two trading opportunities that I'm looking at. So for you to take advantage of the upside as well, if the market just come here to do something short like this before going back down, just wait for, if this comes down like it's and ends up coming down, don't, in this region, just wait. Don't take any trade here. Wait for this region to be cleared out. Don't take any trade here. Wait for something like this. You understand? Just wait for something like this for this to go in your favor. Don't take any trade here. Just wait for the market to clear out this region. To clear out this region, there is a resistance here which I think the market might respect. There's a level here which I think the market might respect. Come here, so it might come break out, retest this trend line, or it might retest this horizontal line, or retest this trend line, which is this resistance. It might come to respect the resistance or this trend line before it do what, continue downward. Okay, so if the market wants to come down, which I will suggest you do what, you exercise a lot of patience in this market. You still have a lot, just to be realistic, let me put it here, you still have a lot of rooms to the upside. Like we'll be looking like 176 176 pips downward. 176 pips downward. So I will urge you to make sure you exercise patience before you consider any bearish move for this trade. You have to just wait for this market to clear out this zone, once it clears out this zone, wait after the breakout, wait for the market to retest. So after the retest, wait for a bearish candlestick. After it's been retested, wait for a bearish candlestick to come. Then you can just do something like this around here. Put your stop loss like 35 pips above. 35 pips above. Yes, 35 pips above. 35 pips above. 35 pips above. 35 pips above. For me, if I'm to take this trade, I'll be going two to three positions, because I need to take some as little as at each levels. So for me, I'll be going for 2 positions in this trade. 2 positions for this trade. First level, I'll be taking out a profit here, which I will quickly need to do. I'll be taking out a profit here. A profit at this level. I'll be taking out a profit at this level. You see this level? I'll be taking out a profit at this level. Once I take profits out at this level, the market does not owe me anything, which I know better. So I have to, take a profit at this level while I can. Take a profit at this level. If the market comes down here, I will take a profit at this level, move my stop to break even, and let this remaining trade runs for me. So this is what I will be doing if I'm to take this trade. So I've explained what you are going to do on Euro USD. Just wait for the market to decide. If the market is not cooperating to go to the upside, just wait for the market to clear out this region. I see my chart is kind little bit busy, but it is necessary. All this trend line is all this level that I draw it's necessary. Just wait for the market to clear out this little region, to clear out. If it want to test this, break out this, if it want to retest this or this, just wait for it to break out and do whatever I want to do on this level. So once it comes down, if you want to retest here, come here, bounce off, retest here, and do whatever. Just wait for a bearish candle to make sure the market clears this trend line and this horizontal line. Once it's clear, guys, you have all the way here to melt down. Then you can wait for the market to give you all these flips. Don't forget, it takes 3 weeks for this market from here to get here. It takes 3 weeks. Yes, it took 3 weeks to get here. So I'll be expecting to hold on to this trade if it comes down here for 3 weeks. But the first profit target is here and the second one is here. That's what I'll be doing. So I don't care how small, how little this is, I'm taking profit from here. But if the market wants to respect this level to create the right shoulder, like as I explained earlier. So I've explained how you can take advantage of it. So currently, excuse me, that's what I'm saying. So just wait for it to pull back a little bit here. The breakout, just wait of a little bit to test, so you can take advantage of this. So either of the two. So if it breaks out, you can take advantage and let your stop loss comes below here, this level. I'm thinking that this is what is going to happen. Okay, so it is just 1:2. Do you understand? 1:2. No matter how small it is, just take it and keep it and add it to your capital. So from here, I think this is reasonable. Just do this. I think this is reasonable. So that is it for Euro USD. So I'll be going to my next video with my next peers where which is gold sports USD. So the next pair I'll be analyzing today is gold sports USD. Gold, Mr. Volatility. Volatility of this pair is just you can use it to get rich quick, and it is easy to blow your account. So I'm on the monthly time frame. I just want to quickly plot these key levels, and I will adjust it. Yup. Okay. 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 So on to my monthly time frame. I adjust it. My monthly time frame. I need it to accommodate. There is a level here as well. You see, there is a level here as well. That is pretty too wide. It's pretty too wide. Yeah, it's too wide. It's okay like that. So guys, okay. So currently we are on a bearish trend. On a bullish trend rather. Sorry for that mistake. We are on a bullish trend. This is where we are currently. All-time high. This is where we are currently. This is where we are currently. So what is happening here? We are just hanging on this rope. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what's happening. If we can connect any dots here. Okay, I think I can connect these weeks. These weeks can be connected. Yeah, these weeks can be connected. Okay, below here. Okay, I think I get that. So on the daily time frame, this is what is happening here on the daily time frame. Hold on, I think I need to do that again. Yes, and I think this might be its next move, because this guy has expected this trend line and drop back down. So our next level might come back here. So let me scale down to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, the 4 hours time frame. Let me draw out this minor level here. There is a minor level here. See this minor level. It's a very strong level. See, let me use this. What happened here earlier this year? Let me use this as an example to show you this level is a very strong level. This happened here. The market, rally up here, expected this level and came back, broke out aggressively. It didn't. There's this push does not. They don't respect this line, and it came here. When it got to this level right here, this level right here, this level right, it bounced off, retested, tried to break this level, try to break this level. It was unable for the market. It had to come back to respect this level before it could complete that move. Okay, so I'm just showing you how strong this level is. It's an important level. When it got here, it came back here, just it couldn't break it, came back from an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. It tested it, expected it, came back, before it could, break it. So I think what happened here might as well happen here. That's what I'm thinking. But what I'm seeing on this chart presently, this is it. What I'm seeing on this chart. So what I'm seeing on this chart. What I'm seeing on this chart right now. Yeah, it is what I'm seeing on this main star. I don't know if this main star want to do this before coming down. Yeah, I don't know what this main star wants to do. So this pair on the 4 hours time frame, this I think this is what the pair might want to do. So anyway, any which way the way the market want to play it, I'm down with it. So I'm ready for this. If the market wants to come here to this, it has already comes to this level, it hasn't retested this line, so you just have to wait for it to decide if this push wants to come here. You understand? If it wants to do something like this, and come down here, okay, and come down, because there are certain technical level the market does fulfill before it has to respect those technical levels. And I believe this trend line is as well one of it that it want to respect. So I will delete this and this. So I will scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to see what is happening. So you can find your trading opportunity here. Okay, this is too linear to even decide what will happen here. So first of all, there is a level here, left shoulder. Okay, it has broken aggressively to the to the downside, and now let's see what happens if it will come here and come back down. Okay, come back down. So let's wait and see. So if this market comes here, you have to know what the market is trying to do. It's trying to create another right shoulder. Right shoulder. It's trying to create another right shoulder. If it creates that right shoulder, that means this head and shoulder pattern will play out, and the market is coming to respect this level. The market is coming to respect this level back again. So we still have all the way down here, so down here to benefit from. So now let me give you a tip of how price action works. See this range? Yeah, this was a range, right, and this price is trapped in here. If it comes here, okay, it will definitely come back here. it will definitely come back here because it's called a cap. In price action, it's called what? A cap. You see, it's called a cap. What did I call it? I call it a cap. Sorry guys. It's called a cap in price action. When a price, is stuck between a range, previous range. See, this is a range. See, this was a range before it broke out. So, and currently the price is here. So if the price does move back here, that means it wants to test this line. It's coming back down again. So we have to, this market is going up back. There is a doji cross here. You see, these guys, hold on, let me just pick a tool to highlight these three guys. You see, there's an high tendency this market is going back here, just to expect it. Once it does come back here, shut it down. Okay, take advantage of it, just to make some nice money for yourself. From here to here, it's 27 pips. From here to here, just clear the 27 pips. Once it comes here and try to come back, just shut it down. Okay, just shut it down. So this formation, this candle's formation signals it might come up here. Once it come up here, shut it down. Just wait for the move to happen. Just wait for the move. Wait for the move. Wait for the move. The reason why I say you should wait for the move and let the market do it, don't be greedy to just want to buy it up here and just wait. You will make all those money. Just wait for the market. Don't forget this, we are on what, bearish movement. So just wait for the market to come up here, bounce off a little bit, then you can shut it down. Okay, you can shut it down. All you just need to do is put your stop here. Let it come down here. Once you put your stop here, this is 10 pips. Yes, you can just give it 10 pips, but make sure before it's bounce off this place, it's bounce off. You see a bearish candle. Okay, you see a bearish candle. When you see a bearish candle, just shut it down. So that is for gold. That's what I'm looking for in gold to happen. So to come, we expect this level, but before we come to this level, we must clear this level. But what I'm seeing with this candle formation here, it might come back here. And so what I'm suggesting you guys is just to come here. You just have to let it come here. So once you come here, shut it down. Just shut it down to this level. Once you get to this level, take out some profits. Move whatever it is here, move it to the break even, and let the market do its magic. Let the market do its magic here. Down. Move your stop to break even here. Move your stop to break even. So here's what I mean when I say move your stop to break even. A moment. You can use 30 pips. For me, I'll be using 35 pips. That's what I do. I use 35 pips because now I'm a swing trader, so I can't, I will let the market breathe. It must breathe. That's how our president called it. Let the poor breathe. So it must breathe. So once the market, comes back here, move all your stop back to break even. This is what I meant by break even. Move it. So yeah, if you do it like this, you are risk free. You are not risking anything. You've already add a little profit to your what. You'll already add a little profit to your capital. So just move to break even. You are risk free. So just let the market, make some money for you and go do something else. Okay, so that is it for gold. That is it for gold. That is it for gold. So I'll be moving on to the other pairs, which is the next pair I'll be analyzing is the AUD USD. AUD USD. This pair, these are incredible pairs. So going on and onto AUD USD, I'm on the monthly time frame. Let me quickly plot this. So you can see on the monthly time frame, we are on a bearish move. We are on a bearish move. The overall trend of the market is bearish. Guys, please don't forget that the overall trend of the market is bearish. So it is bearish. The overall trend is bearish. So this is another level here. So this is another level here. Okay. Okay. There's another level here. Yes, I'm right. Let me go to my weekly to readjust all this. Readjust it all. Yeah. This respect it respect all this key level, all this major level. It respects it a lot. It expect all this level. That is the reason why you see a lot of key levels being drawn on this. Okay. Perfectly drawn. Okay, this is perfect. So on the weekly time frame, what am I seeing here? Let me just give you a broad analysis of what is happening here. See, currently this is where we are. So we don't know what. So this is where we are. This right here. So this is where we are. I see a big inverse head and shoulder. If it will break out this trend line, I don't know. It is the market that will decide what it wants to do. It is the market, but we are going to find a trading opportunity. We are going to find a trading opportunity no matter what this market is trying to do. So now on here, this is where we currently at on the weekly if I'm not mistaken. So I will do something real quick here, just to simplify what is happening here. This trend, this price action movement here, you see, what does this signify? It signifies a triple bottom here. 1, 2, 3. Signifies a triple bottom here. 1, 2, 3. Signifies a triple bottom here. Signifies a triple bottom here. Okay, just to simplify the move and make this more easier for us. Let me see if I can draw trend line here. No. Let me scale down to the daily time frame and see what is happening. So let me zoom So currently, see this, see this, see this, and we are here right now. Are we going to say it's forming a double top? It came to form a double top here. The overall trend is very short. Yes, and I'm seeing a triple bottom here. Seeing a triple bottom here. Don't forget here as well. You know, a double top formed as well and played out nicely. Yeah, as well. This is why I love technical analysis. It will never fail you. It will just tell you something has happened in the previous, year. It will reference to it. So for us to take advantage of this, if this double top which I see on the daily time frame might play out, this is how I think we can go about it. Let me draw a counter trend line right from here using the wick of the candlestick. Please guys, if you want to draw your trend line, make sure you use the wick of the candlestick. It's very important. Don't draw it close to the body of the candlestick like this. This is what I mean. This is too close to the body. This is too close to the body. You see, this is the body. Drawing it too close to the body, this already looks like a breakout already. So don't want to analyze to suit your emotions. Please don't do that. Your capital should be more important to you than any other thing. So now this is the wick of the candlestick. So if it has come here to form an equal high here, equal high. Don't forget there is a trend line here that this market might tend to respect. Now let me draw out this minor resistance level. There is a minor resistance level which is very strong level. You see, it's a very strong level. It's a very strong level. Let me zoom in. It's a very strong level. So let me scale down to the 4 hours time frame just to show you the possible scenario that might happen in these charts. You see, actually 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, I did this analysis which I said the overall target will be here. Yes, I did this analysis, but which I said it will come here. Which I said it will come here, but to be realistic, I think I use this 1 2, this is what I used to guide my TP. I use these wicks of the candle to guide my TP, but I left the trade somewhere around here when the market breaks out this trend line. I use this trend line to guide myself on this trade. Immediately I entered the trade somewhere around here when I see this wick of this candlestick pull back. Wait, let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Yes. I caught the move from here. Oh, excuse me, I should use the long. From here, the entire move was here, which I think, but I ended up closing my position here. So I ended up closing my position here. All I got out was 50. Hold on, let me use my all I ended up catching was 51 pips. I'm right. 51 pips was all I because immediately I saw this trend line broken, I got out of the market. I got out of the market and I closed all my positions. I closed all my positions. So back to the current analysis I'm doing, guys. Sorry, I have to explain that to you guys as well. So currently, what is happening here right now? Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. Let me do this. Let me do this to the IO. You see, this is the highest position. You see, this is a reversal. You see, this is where we're currently at. This is an head and shoulder. This is an head and shoulder pattern. See, this is the neckline. This is the neckline. This is the highest point. This is the neckline. This is the lowest. Yeah. So this is the neckline. This is the neckline. So it has broken out. So what the market is doing now, going back, maybe the what is it called? We see the higher time frame move we saw, which is the double top, we saw on of daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it might play out. So now this is how you take advantage of this. This is how we are going to take advantage of it. All you need to do is this strong level has been broken. I think this is just a juicy move. Believe me, guys, this is an amazing move. You see, this is an amazing move. This is an amazing move. Just wait for something like this to happen and wait for a bounce off. Then you can get into the trade. Just wait for a bounce off. Just wait for a bounce off, because this is a reversal pattern. This is an head and shoulder. Do you understand? Just wait for a bounce off. Just wait for a bounce off. It's rejecting. Just wait for a bounce off. Wait for a bearish candlestick, okay, to come down and close successfully right below this place. Then you can what? Sell. You can do what? Sell. Shut it down. Sell. Don't forget, guys, your risk management is very, 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 very important. So you can get into the trade somewhere about right here, as usual. For me, I'll be risking 30 pips. 30 pips to 35 pips max. So I'll be risking 30 pips. So to catch this move down here, I'll be risking 30 pips, to rally this down here. But as usual, I'll be, taking a decent profit at this level. I'll be taking. My chart looks too busy, guys. So I need to do all this just to explain for you how you can take advantage of this trade. So my first TP will be here. So my first TP will be here. At this level, my first TP will be here, and I will leave the remaining position to come down here. So if I'm seeing three profits target, I'll be going for 3 positions. But here, wait a moment, guys. Height moment beetle. Okay, Okay, for this, you know, this double top to complete its move, there's a high tendency that to come down here to expect this level. Okay, so but for me, just have to be realistic with whatever you're doing in forex. The market might want to come down there and start reversing. You just have to be realistic. So this level, I'll be taking some decent profit out. So I'll be 30 positions. I'll be going for 30 positions in this trade. So 30 positions in this trade. 30 positions in this trade because I want the remaining one to come down here. Come down here. So 30 positions on this trade. Yeah, it's so there's a lot of liquidity here. Touches. So the market might get here. I know I don't want to be too greedy, but I will use these weeks to take out the third. But I'm not closing this position and I want it to get down to get here. This is how I will manage the trade. So let me explain that to you guys, how I will manage the trade. Once the market is able to escape this to this region, I will move all my stop down here. You see, I'm moving it down here. I will move it down here. And mind you guys, this might take months before I achieve this, okay? Because for this market to get here, from year to year, it took like 3 months. April, May, June, July, yes. 3 months to get here and do this. So it might take 3 months. So I'll be moving my stop here and allow the market to do whatever it wants to do. So that's how I'll manage the trade. I just explained how I'll manage the trade. So I've shared with you guys the trading opportunity that you can take. Okay, the trading opportunity you can take here. So this information I'm giving you, I will urge you guys to make good use of it. So currently this one has not closed yet. I want to come back to retest this candle. There might be something like this at the long run, just to retest and come down here. Something like that might happen just to retest this trend line. Don't forget, this trend line was drawn on the daily candle. Yeah. So I won't be surprised if a retest happen. I'll be waiting for a retest because it has not successfully closed. So wait for a retest to happen. So I think the market will come back here to retest this. So once the retest happens, then you can take advantage of it. So I think the markets might retest. Yeah, I think the market might retest. So there's a breakout here. This is the breakout that happened there. I haven't seen a retest up here. It's just consolidated move. So if I want to consolidate or come back to expect this level, this trend line before it's continues. So that is that for this analysis, guys. So just watch out for all these informations I gave to you guys. Just watch out for each and every information I give to you guys and stick to your trading plan for this week. And I wish you guys best of luck. And I have some important information for you guys as well on my other screen. So I urge you guys to stay so I can pass the information across to you guys. So thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I've really taken much of your time, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. This is how I analyze my charts and profit from the market. It requires patience to make profit from the market. It requires patience to monitor your trade. Don't forget, be patient with the market. The market is not always wrong. If anything, if your trade goes wrong, you should make some adjustment the way you approach the market, and always observe the way you feel before you get into the market, and how the market is the way you feel during during the trade. You just have to be careful and notice every of your reaction. So don't forget, in my previous video, everything I said there about your trading psychology is as well very important. So it's very important as well. It's very important as well. So thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. Thank you guys. So I will see you on my chart next week, because I'll be coming here as well to analyze a chart, so just to show you another trading opportunity next week. So do well. I will see you in my next screen, guys. So thank you. Bye. Hello guys, thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I truly appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. That is how I analyze my charts every single week, then I profit from the market. And there's an important information as well that I want to share with you guys. Please don't risk more than what you can lose. Your risk management is very important. Consigning every trade for a retest to happen. Once the retest happens and you get into the trade at a retest, trust me, you're taking a cautious and making a cautious and a good trading decisions. And as well, don't do well to check my previous video as well, which I mentioned how you can manage your trade and how you can go about your trade. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you, and you have to do a simple favor for me, and this favor will help my channel grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. So by doing this, it will help my YouTube channel just to grow more. Okay guys, thank you very much. I will see you on the next video. See you next week. So thank you guys.